Introducing Link Planner, the most advanced link building tool based on an artificial intelligence system. With Link Planner, anyone can plan a campaign even without SEO experience. All you need to do is provide your domain URL, choose the language and select your planned budget. In the next step, we will propose URLs with the highest potential and exclude links that already lead to your specified page. Then, you'll receive a proposal of portals with their matching subpages and keywords. Simply add them to your cart and the guidelines will be automatically completed. Link Planner verifies potential, evaluates the quality of portals in the Linkhouse database, and optimally utilizes your budget. As a result, preparing a link building campaign takes less than a minute. Save time and money. Choose portals for link building in 60 seconds.